Hey, it's Daniel from Walker.
And I'm Tom.
Hey, we're here at the GIE show here in Louisville. We're just checking out all the new stuff. We're at the Walker booth. We want to show you what you got.
Right.
Oh, look, they got a camera over there.
Oh, camera.
Let's go get it.
Let's go.
Hey, sorry guys.
Excuse me,
we're
pardon
gonna
me. Yeah,
take in here.
Oh, okay.
Hey, it's Daniel from Walker.
And I'm Tom.
Hey, we're here at the GIE show at Louisville, and we're at the Walker booth. What do you got that's new?
We want to tell you about some of the new products that are available. So
Nice.
first of all, we have this mulch 52-inch deck, which is great.
Yeah.
It's just like our 48-inch deck, but just
bigger.
bigger.
Nice.
Right. There's
Perfect.
also something else on here, Daniel.
Yeah, what's that?
It's these new replaceable wear edges.
Sweet.
Do you know how those work?
Well, so once you start scuffing this out, you scuffing up, you can switch it out.
Absolutely. You just unbolt it, flip it over, bolt it right back on.
Nice.
Kind of like a brand new deck.
Nice. It's like new soles for your shoes.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Yeah. Hey, I got something else. Come on. Follow
Yeah, let's
us.
go.
Let's go this way.
Hey, a spreader.
It's a spreader, right? It's our spiker spreader.
Perfect.
And the mount. So you can actually order it with just the mount. So if you have the spiker spreader already.
So if I got my own, I just get the mount and I can put it right on the Walker deck.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Or you could order the same thing all together.
Nice.
Great.
So what do you do? Put popcorn in here?
Well, normally you put fertilizer in there, but if you come by the GIE show, we might have something in there for you.
Nice.
All right.
What else you got?
One more thing. Come on,
Cool.
we gotta run.
Let's go.
This right here, have you seen this before, Daniel?
I have. You guys have had a hard cab for a while.
We have had a hard cab for a while, but there's something in there that we haven't had yet.
Yeah? What is it?
So have you ever been in a cab that feels like a sauna?
No.
Get in there. We have, for our H37i, we have
You got a heater.
a heater.
Nice.
Yes, a heater. So it's wonderful, especially in the wintertime.
Awesome.
So tell me how it feels in there, Daniel.
Sure. Woo, it's working.
So actually,
Nice.
we don't have the heater on at the show, but you can still come by, take a look at it, see what you think.
That's awesome.
So here at the GIE show, make sure you come by. Tonight, Wednesday is when we're here, tonight, and then Thursday and Friday, and also at the outdoor booth.
Perfect. And if you're not here at the show in Louisville, make sure you check this out online at walker.com.
All right, see you later.
See you guys.